for joining us. We all look forward to our holidays, but let me ask you a question. Does this seem familiar to you? It's a common enough sight on long journeys. You want to arrive fresh and ready to enjoy your holiday, but so often you arrive exhausted through lack of sleep and sometimes with a sore neck as well. Most people believe that this is just part of the travel experience, but we do not agree. We are Kip-Kit, and this is our solution. Kip-Kit does what other travel pillows don't. Its revolutionary design gently cradles your chin, keeping your head in an upright, safe, and comfortable position. No more sore necks. This is how it works. It's so easy to use. Step 1. Place the soft foam pad on your chest and your chin in the elastomeric diaphragm. Step 2. Secure around your neck with the strap. Step 3. Sit back and let Kip-Kit take the strain from your neck. When you're done, simply lift it out, fold it, and put it back in your pocket or bag. And that's it. Arrive at your destination happy, refreshed, and ready to go.